Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart online grocery shopping. First, you'll need to create or log into your Walmart account. Once logged in, select your preferred local store. Then, decide whether you'd like to pick up your order or have it delivered directly to your home. This initial setup takes just a few moments and ensures a smooth shopping experience tailored to your location and convenience. After setting up your store and delivery preference, it's time to fill your cart. You can easily search for specific items using the search bar or browse through various categories like produce, dairy, or pantry staples. Simply click on an item to add it to your virtual cart and adjust quantities, perhaps from 1 to 2 pounds of apples, with a simple tap. It's designed to be intuitive and efficient. Once your cart is full, proceed to checkout. Carefully review all items to ensure accuracy, then select a convenient pickup or delivery time slot that fits your schedule, often available within a 2-hour window. Finally, choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or another option. Confirm your order and you're all set for fresh groceries. After placing your order, you can easily track its status, from preparation to delivery or pickup, right from your account. If plans change, you often have a window of a few hours to modify or even cancel your order. Don't forget to use helpful features like Buy It Again for frequently purchased items, saving you time on future shopping trips and making your experience even more seamless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.